Hey, this is John with Watchtower Guitars. Check out this 1968 Gibson 335 in an iced tea finish. Came to us without the original pickguard, so it's got a little bit of a tan line there. It also had a headstock break at some point in its life, and it was repaired a long time ago, and they actually added a volute to it. But everything else is original. It's got nylon saddles, an ABR1 with string retainer, original pots. Let's give it a listen.